cross crawl for up or down regulation and for building our capacity for complexity around other people. Co-regulation is only co-regulation if it's good for both people. It works in person and online. The beauty of cross crawl is that it organizes our nervous system. It expands our bandwidth for doing complicated things with other people. That makes it an excellent warm-up for team activities and cooperative group projects. We start simple and add challenges to make it more complex. Try closing your eyes, doing it in back, speeding it up.
It's pretty simple. It's just
bring your hand to your opposite knee, then switch sides and keep going. It's harder, but you can also do it in back. We take turns with leader and mirror roles. Each person does both roles. As leader, feel your breath and your body. Explore your rhythm. Feel what works for you. As mirror, don't worry about doing it right. Just be present in a way that's good for you.
I'm going to try with my eyes closed now. You don't. So it was interesting because at first when I did it, I was really focused on you. And I was watching, is she following me? I was thinking, like, is she following me? And I wasn't really that present in my body. I was trying to just go through the motions. And I was holding my breath more. And then I thought it was interesting because when I switched to closing my eyes, it was harder. It didn't feel as safe in my body because I felt kind of shaky. But then I also noticed I felt more present in my body. So I actually was super focused on me. And then when I opened my eyes again, it seemed like I was more balanced in regards to being more embodied, but then also being in tune with you.
I would say I felt, yeah, it's almost like what you know the other person is watching you to mirror, and I'm really focused on what you were doing. But then when I knew your eyes were closed, it felt more relaxed. You weren't watching if I was falling. I found I felt more centered with my eyes open. With my eyes closed, I was losing my balance. And yeah, I felt the first time I did it, it felt really relaxing and flowy versus.
And I felt it was easy for me to follow you. I felt, I think, more relaxed and regulated because I didn't need to be the leader, the spotlight, you know. So then I followed you, and then it was kind of fun because then when we got opposite, then I thought, oh, you know, I'm just gonna stop for a second. I'm gonna like try to match you. And then it was kind of like a fun, kind of like almost like this is a game, kind of like
Okay.
a fun.
Okay, let me try doing it fast this time.
Okay.
Yeah, fast felt really different. Like my energy feels really different now after doing it faster. More, how do I explain? Energized. Yeah, I feel energized versus the other way I felt like more flowing calm. Now I feel more energized. So that's
Yeah, me
interesting.
too. Me too. That's what I noticed too. It was like, I feel more not activated in a stress way, but just like energized. Like I'm
Yeah.
ready to pay attention, ready to, tackle whatever.
Yeah. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
You can use body up co-regulation to get connected, to calm down, or to get going. For print instructions and more videos, visit wecoregulate.com. And remember, co-regulation is only co-regulation if it's good for both people.